What's up everybody? Inside this box is a GoPro Hero 8. It's been sitting in my room unopened for like a week now because I had a biochem exam on Friday of last week, so I haven't had time to open it. But now biochem is over and I finally have time to open this thing up, and I decided that I should show you guys. Alright, we got some packing plastic with like air in it so the GoPro doesn't die in shipping. And here we go, it's the freaking GoPro Hero 8. It's wrapped in some plastic, so it's going to be really awesome to get out, taped up. Sick. Alright, but here is the device. It's box. It's a pretty sweet box. It's GoPro, man. Same box as they've always had, pretty much. Alright, I have no idea how to open this thing. Honestly, you just like slide this out or something. Oh, there's this tab back here. Okay. Got this part open. 2 tabs. Finger hole. Alright, now that I got it out of the box, I can show you what it looks like. It's really curvy and nice looking. Less boxy than other GoPros that I've seen. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I want to get into why I bought this GoPro. So before this one I had a GoPro Hero 3 from like 2014, and the quality on that camera just wasn't what I wanted it to be. So I decided to use like the GoPro, I don't know what the program is called, but like it's a trade up program. Yeah, the GoPro trade up program. And I decided to trade up to this guy, and I got $100 off it, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, they just took my old GoPro Hero 3 and gave me this one. Alright, now I'm going to unscrew it from its little stand and from the package and show you what it looks like without being connected to anything. So you just unscrew that, and there we go. The GoPro is out of its little case holdings from the packaging, and here it is. Now these guys are one of the new features on the GoPro Hero 8. It's different compared to other GoPros. These are actually attached to the device itself, and first impressions on these guys, I mean, they feel pretty solid. I'm wiggling them around pretty tough. They seem pretty solid. I really like that GoPro put these little bunny ears on the bottom of the Hero 8, because before you'd have to put it into like a housing like this. This is the super suit, in order to mount your GoPro on something. So you'd have to put it into, this is the super suit, or you'd have to put it into some other housing in order to mount it on like a tripod or something like that. So I'm really glad they did that. It makes it a lot more convenient and a lot easier to use your GoPro. Something I'm noticing while looking at these two next to each other is how big the new Hero 8 is. All the old GoPros could fit inside of this housing, and I'm noticing that the new one is just about as big as the whole housing itself. So that's just something to note. And also, the Hero 8 is pretty heavy, actually, compared to old ones. I remember my Hero 3 being a lot lighter than this one. I'm not sure about any other GoPro, but just comparing those two, this is a lot heavier than that. Alright, let's put this aside for now, and then take a look at what is in this, because it sounds like there is something in there. So it's got some instructions here, but I'm not going to look at them. Oops. Alright, GoPro Plus. I think I did that already. Some random stuff. I know how to unscrew stuff. Need that. Caution. You don't need to read that either. What is this? Need help? No. GoPro stickers. Oh, I can't wait to use these and just tell everyone I have a GoPro. Instruction manual, I assume. Paper. Let's see what's in here. Oh, strange. So it opens up like a mouth. Okay, so in here we've got, it looks like this is the battery for the GoPro. It's stuck to my finger. This is the battery, and just, we'll mess with that later. And here's a charger, USB-C, which is pretty cool. And I believe This is like a sticky attachment or whatever. I can attach it to stuff, or maybe one thing. I don't know how many times I can stick it onto something, but we've got this as well. What I should have mentioned about GoPro Plus is that it's actually a pretty good deal for what you have to pay for it. So it's about $5 a month, and what you get for that is if you break your camera in any way, GoPro is going to replace it free of charge, and you get unlimited iCloud storage for everything you shoot with your GoPro. Alright, now I finally get to peel this stuff off, so get a little bit of ASMR in this video. Yes. Alright, now I got this beautiful little display. Now this is really cool for me because on my old GoPro I didn't have a display on there because it was like the Hero 3 and it was really old. So I'm not sure how to... Oh yeah, I have to put the battery in. Hold up. Alright, do I just pull this back? How do I open this? Okay, I finally figured out how to open the battery pack, or the battery door. You just push this little guy down on the bottom of your GoPro until you see this little red hash mark, and then you just pull it back. And then it just comes off, and you can put it back on if you want to, because that would really suck if I just broke it, but it does not look like I did. And then you take the little battery right here, and then you just slide it right in. Now once you have your battery in, you'll notice that there's a little tab right here, and that's just so you can take it out and put it back in. Well, I mean, not to put it back in because, I mean, you can't put any force on it, but that's just to be able to take the battery out because there's no way to get it out otherwise. Alright, in order to put your little door back on, you're going to want to line up that end. See this end that has this half circle shape? You want to line that up with this little bar down here, and then just pop it right on until you hear a click, and then just push it all the way down, and then press down on this, and then your battery is locked in. And now we can turn on the GoPro. It'll beep, and then the screen will turn on. So you're probably going to want to connect it to your phone, and in order to do that, you're going to want to swipe down on the top, hit Preferences, hit Connection, Connect Device, and then go to GoPro app. And then you're going to want to go on your phone, you want to download the GoPro app, and then hit Add Camera. It's going to look for the camera, it might not be able to find it, but oh, it did this time. Alright, so it says we found your GoPro, and all I have to do is hit Connect Camera. Should take a few seconds, and then bam, your GoPro is now connected to your phone. You can name it whatever you want, I don't really care what my GoPro's name is. And now, you should be able to see a live feed pop up on your phone from what your GoPro sees. So you just want to join the network that your GoPro is giving out. And we're just waiting for it to connect. Waiting. Now you get a pretty instant video of what your GoPro sees. This is way better than my GoPro Hero 3. The Hero 3 had a huge delay, but now I can just, look at that, that's sweet. Alright, I think that wraps up this unboxing. If you guys liked the video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's aim for 2 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys next time.